Deep within the hallowed and ancient woodland of Sherwood Forest lies an artisan brewery, creating handmade batches of only the finest traditional honey mead. Using locally sourced ingredients, every batch of Apothecary Mead has been crafted over several months, slowly fermenting for maximum flavours. Traditional mead, antiquity honoured. The only trouble is that it tastes so good that everyone wants to get their hands on it. It's not evil, it's medieval. Available now at the Birdhide Micropub in Attenborough.